Alright, so this is our last sports night. This is Joe, our goalie. Well, I'm not really goaling because I'm tired. And then Matt is over there, way over there peeing in the bush or on the tree. You can't really see him. It's like right there. And everyone over here is playing soccer while Matt is over there peeing on a tree. So, yeah, remember, he's over there peeing. He was taking a mighty long time peeing because, you know what, now he's walking back over. Oh, there's Chris. Look at him go, look at him go. Go, go, go! And he disappeared. He's all the way over there. And Stoner just got laid out on the ground again because he's a wuss. Cookie wuss. We still love him though. There's the ball. Melody actually did good. We had little kids here playing with us. It was kind of weird. One was 6. I don't know how old the other one was, but yeah. 6-year-old. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop now. Well, wait. Let's maybe see if somebody will score. Josh has the ball. Passes it off to John. John kicks it off. And he passes it to Josh. And Josh kicks it off to Aaron. And Aaron's going and going and going. And it kicks it back. And you see, and it's going, it's going. And Chris now has the ball. And he's running north now. And I think north. He's very lightly kicking it. Oh, and then he kicks it out. And it's starting to get dark again. And everyone's gathering around to beat the living crap out of Chris. Yeah.